afternoon, everybody. Well, here what you see are two transmitters, TV transmitters. They're refurbished, okay? And we have a customer that decided to go along with these type of units since he doesn't have enough. His budget is very tight and he cannot afford to buy a new transmitter. So basically here what he bought, besides the rack, okay, he bought the amplifiers, the control unit. I think this one here has the filter inside and almost everything they need to put the station up on the air. So if you're interested in refurbished transmitters, we have them in all sizes, anything you need, however you want it, and there's no warranty on them, but I'm pretty sure they'll perform perfectly for at least 5 years without a problem, okay? Totally recommend them. I have a lot of customers that call me asking me about this type of units, and we do have them available right now, okay? So just give us a call or shoot us an email and we'll be able to help you.